thing sat for about a week in rust remover before I even started recording. So, she was pretty shitty. So probably got 3 or 4 more passes to finish filling this. And if I was smarter, I would have left myself a little tab just to, run the bead into. So if you see here, it's kind of undercutting because molten metal and whatnot. So I think kind of the plan, get this filled back up. I'll run them passes. We're going to get the profile back, and then we're going to polish it and handle it. I don't know if the polish and handle will be in this video, but we'll see. If you work in a shop with other people, this is a great habit to have. Plus, it's funny when they just watch you torch on something for half an hour and you just wrote hot on the fucker. Holy shit, if you're learning something from this, we're in trouble. Well, we'll be alright as long as no welders show up. So I got this all gouged out, and I got boogers installed in the booger slot here. I've been coughing up the electrode dust, frantically trying to make room for the grinding dust that's about to show up. So, let's do it. Let's keep working on it. Well, would you look at that? Turned out pretty good. Kind of looks shitty in the video, but we're going to work it through some grits. Man, this is getting pretty up. Give her some proper sparkle. Okay. I got 100. This flap disc is 60 grit. So I got 100. I believe that's 120 off the, that's on the adhesive. I'll cut a piece off or something. So we got 600, 800, 15, and 2,000. So work through that, see where we get. Oh, here it is. We actually did too good, because now all you see is fingerprints and it drives you bonkers. If you're in the market for an axe handle, I highly recommend Beaver Tooth Handle Co. Make a really good product. I was hoping to do something like this on this head with a 24-inch handle, just to keep it, you know, a little bit more manageable. It's a good feel. Fortunately, when I popped on there, they were sold out. So, probably go to a big box store and see if we can find something that works. Weird. She never starts. Alright, dude. Is this the one? Is that the one?
I think so.
Good enough.
Good enough.
Good enough.
Okay, I'll hold it, okay?
That's a deal. Let's go. Well, we had to be reintroduced back into society for a minute there, but managed to find a handle. It's not the worst thing I've ever seen. It's at least got some actual palm swell to it, so. Not what I wanted, but in a pinch she'll do. So let's get the shit off it and shove it up our axe here. I don't know who the guy is they put that poly shit on the handles for, but I hate his guts. Evidently I wasn't recording for that, but I ended up reworking it. I couldn't live with that. It was kind of an experiment and I didn't like it. Let's see, I got some oil. Let's oil this thing. It's not often you get to piss off the metalworking community and the woodworking community in one day. But we pulled it off. She's pretty. That turned out good. I know an old man who's going to be real happy with that. Even the moneymaker got some oil today. Well, thanks for sticking around. Catch you in the next one.